Good morning. For vendor registration, you have to visit at Neoinfinit Multicons Private Limited. This is our website that contains all our public details. For vendor registration, you have to scroll down all the way bottom, and bottom corner you will find the link for vendor registration. On By clicking on this link, you just have open this vendor registration form. You have to just click next. Once click on next, you have to mention your company name. For example, Neoinfinit. Company website, you have to mention complete www.neoinfinit.com. Then office phone number, that is 9955223366. That complete mobile number you have to mention. Then you have to choose which type of services you provide for construction. That is, you may be a manufacturer, you may be a distributor, you may be a service provider, or you may be a contractor. Out of that, you may be some another services as well. So you can mention all these. One of these services. For manufacturers, select manufacturer, no problem. What kind of product? For example, if you are pipe manufacturers, you can mention pipe and fittings manufacturing. Then which services sector you provide product details. Then mechanical, electrical, plumbing, or pipe and fittings is only for plumbing and fire, or one of anything you can choose. Then you can move to the next. You can mention your contact person. For example, me, it's Prashant. Mobile number 9152715920. Then mail ID, you have to mention contact person mail ID, that is md@neoinfinit.com. City, from which city you are providing the services. For example, Pune, Mumbai, you can mention, and you can click on next. Once you submit the contact details, you can upload your documents from this particular details, and you can find those details. For example, our company brochure is here. This is our company profile brochure. I just select, and you have to upload the details. Once you submit, you will get the notification details from our site. You can check out with Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn pages for more information. Yes, once you complete the vendor registration from this particular link given in our website, you will receive our WhatsApp notification like this message. You can see, thank you for your time and details, and further details and the links we have provided. You can check it more information from our these links as well. You can register, subscribe, and as well as like the Facebook page. Thank you guys.